Dear students, in chapter of triangle, today we read the area theorem on similarity of triangles. The statement is that the areas of two similar triangles are in the ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides. That means ratio of areas of two similar triangles should be equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. You have given two triangles ABC and DEF which are similar to each other. Clearly, if two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, angle C equal to angle F must be equal. We have to prove that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF which are similar to each other, their ratio will be equal to ratio of square of the ratio of their corresponding sides, that is AB by DE whole square is equal to BC by EF whole square equal to AC by DF whole square. These are two triangles ABC, DEF. We have constructed AL perpendicular to BC and DM perpendicular to EF. Draw AL perpendicular to BC and DM perpendicular to EF. Now area this triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF given to us, so their corresponding sides would be in proportion, that is AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to AC by DF. Let it be equation number first. Now in triangle ABL, this ABL and DME, what you get? Angle B equal to angle E, because these two triangle ABC and DEF are similar to each other. Angle ALB equal to angle DME, that is each 90 degree. This implies that triangle ABL and triangle DEM will be similar to each other by AA similarity criteria. Therefore, AB upon DE equal to AL upon DM. That is, suppose that equation number 2. Then what happen? AL by DM will be equal to AB by DE, but AB by DE was equal to BC by EF equal to AC by DF. So AL by DM will also be equal to AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to AC by DF. Now area of this triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF equal to 1 by 2 BC into AL upon 1 by 2 into EF into DM, because area of triangle is half base into height. But AL by DM was equal to BC by EF also, and so this area of ABC upon DEF equal to BC by EF into BC by EF, that is BC by EF whole square. But BC by EF equal to AB by D equal to AC by DF, and due to this reason only area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF equal to BC by EF whole square equal to AB by D whole square equal to AC by DF whole square.